Today I will be showing you guys how you can test your SSJS or AMPscript code with Google Drive and Cloud Page in SFMC. While working with the Cloud Pages, you might have faced this delay where each time you publish your changes, it would take some time to reflect in actual page. Well, in this video, I'll quickly show you how you can avoid this delay using Google Drive. I got this idea from a video in Trailblazer SFMC YouTube channel where they have used the Dropbox, but I noticed that it can also be done using the Google Drive. Please note that this is only for test purpose to debug your code and not at all recommended to be used in the production instances or business units. Let's start by creating a new HTML file, ssjs.html. Place our SSJS code in here. So this code will print hello world using the platform response.write function. Now upload this HTML file in your Google location. Once uploaded, right click on share. Now click on change to anyone with the link option. Click on copy link and then click on done. Now that we have copied the location of our shared HTML file, let's go to the Cloud page. So here you see the code. I will put this code in the description below. Now let's place our copied file location in the next line and copy the video of this ID. The video of this ID will start from the d slash and end by the next slash. Now let's copy this ID and place it in our AMPscript. And we are good to delete the remaining URL. Now publish this Cloud page and open it up. Here you can see the hello world printing, which is from the SSJS code from our HTML, which is in the Google Drive location right now. Now let's go back to the Google Drive, right click, open with text editor. This will open our HTML file in the editor. Now let's change this hello world message to updated code and save our changes. Now let's go back to the Cloud page, refresh. As you can see, the updated code is coming up here and there was no need to republish the Cloud page again.